Hello everyone, and welcome to Weekly Market Outlook and a webinar where we'll have a deep discussion about crypto and Forex. So for those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to use the chat, ask anything what you want, I'll answer all the questions that you have. And for those who are also watching me on TradingView Live, use the chat there and I will answer all the questions. Don't hesitate, just feel free to ask anything. Okay, so we have one hello from Croatia, so hello to you also from Slovenia. Okay, so guys, let me know, use the chat and let me know where we will start this week. Okay, are we gonna start with the crypto or are we gonna start with the Forex? Okay, so type in the chat what you would like to start with, Forex or crypto. Feel free, just type. Okay, so I would like to thank a lot. I see that general public is learning from those webinars. I love guys that you are learning, and this is the purpose of this webinar. I want to teach you about basic knowledge and to get educated, because I can see that there's a big question and big missing part. Okay, people are missing the knowledge about investing. They don't know how to invest, where to invest, and so on. And by watching our webinars, I can guarantee that you will learn. If you're first time there, if you have time, just feel free to watch the previous recordings. Previous recordings will be live on TradingView, and they will also be live and saved, basically. Sorry, on YouTube. Okay, by watching those webinars, you will learn. I can guarantee the most of people are learning, and I'm getting a really good feedback, and this is really good. Okay, so we have one for Forex, two for Forex, three for crypto. Okay, so let's see, let's use the chat. Come on guys, let's see who's gonna win. Okay, usually we start with the crypto. Okay, I see that one of our members is typing in Slack. Okay, Lubo, I can see that you are typing there in Slack for the Forex. So we have, let's count, 3 for Forex, 4, 5 for crypto. Okay, guys, I think that crypto is again winning the battle. Oh, there are a lot of people interested for the Forex. So, guys, are you making a money from the crypto? I hope you do so. So we will probably start with the crypto again. As you can see that crypto is leading this war. Okay, it's interesting. So for those who are there only for Forex, use your time to watch the crypto analysis, this crypto forecast. Later on, once I will finish the crypto, we will switch to the Forex. And yeah, those who are only trading the crypto, try to start investing. No, sorry, those who are only trading with Forex, try to start with crypto. Okay, so because you will be using the same knowledge on the two markets. Okay, crypto market is really volatile, you can make a lot of money there, and yeah, why not? If there's the same knowledge, you don't need to learn anything special, you will just apply the same stuff there on crypto. Okay, this is really good benefit. Okay, so I can see that crypto is in huge is in huge leading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are for crypto, and 1, 2, 3 are for Forex. Whoa, crypto have a big lead over there. Okay, so big lead is over there with the crypto markets. Okay, then we know where we will start. Okay, I will start with the Bitcoin. So let's have a talk about the Bitcoin first, what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Okay, yeah, man, I'm starting. Just don't don't be impatient. Thoughts on DXY affecting Bitcoin? Not so. Okay, so try to watch it as separated charts. So let's go. Let's start with the Bitcoin USD. What Bitcoin USD is trying to do is, I see that this will start to reversing to the upside again. Why? Because as on daily, you can see that we are there in the flag formation. So what we want to see, there's some loss of momentum over there, and then this chart will start it pushing higher. Okay, so good opportunity there is forming, and I can see Bitcoin hitting really strongly to the upside once this third wave of the flag will be completed. Okay, so on 4 hour there it will be really nicely visible once this will be finished. Okay, it will be really soon, but then it will be the question, if during the week we will have that kind of the correction, then this will mean we are going for one more low before going higher. Okay, so this correction and this behavior, how it will goes back to the trend line, is really important. So for those who are watching the Bitcoin USD chart, be cautious and put some focus there on that correction, how it will looks like. If it will be really slow, then you know where the chart will go. It will go straight down. Okay, so let's go. I will go with all those step-by-step analysis on those crypto. I have a big huge list for the crypto, so I'll try to speed up. But if you have any questions about any pair that I don't have on this list, feel free to type in chat and I will add it and we'll watch it for you. Okay, so one more thing, there was some forecast from the previous weekly market outlooks. They did really well. Okay, so there was a lot of profit. 75% of the profit been watching this. So for those who are with me, I know that guys, you took really nice profit. I'm getting a lot of DMs that people are making money, and I'm really happy. I really appreciate it that you are making money by only watching those webinars. Okay, my webinars are really good. You are getting knowledge, and if you are smart, you can make money out of it. Okay, so really good. I'm happy for this. So there was a nice profit there also. Okay, it went really nicely. Nano hits really fast and then starts to reverse. So take it off. Okay, take your profit off if it didn't. So let's go on DOGE. What we can anticipate there on the DOGE. On DOGE, I can see it will hit and break those tops again. So what we can do in the upcoming week, we will watch how this flag will develop over there, and then we'll try to take a small trade. Okay, so don't take it now. Okay, rather wait for the break this top. Okay, you want to see the break of this top before entering this trade. Okay, so why? Because this can get a little bit bigger. Okay, this can go for one more down and then going up. So this is how correction can get complicated, and you are buying there at this top, and this is not good. Okay, so you'll not have time to manage your trade. So try to wait for one more low. This will be perfect scenario, or buy above this high there over there and take the trade. How far? Until we'll break this top, then you'll have to see how far it will push. Okay, any reactions around the previous top around there, you're supposed to close your trade. But this move could be really fast. Okay, this move can appear really fast. I'm personally not interested for the Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it's not for me at the moment. It's on the top. So if you guys learned till now on the webinars, I'm not interested to buy at the top. Okay, so if you watch the daily, where we are buying at the top. Okay, so how far this is the potential, how far it can go. Okay, only this. I do not expect this one. Okay, so this is not gonna happen. It doesn't matter if people on Facebook are talking about this movement. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, this is not gonna appear over there. So yeah, if you don't want to risk money for that small money, you can go for this buy. But I'm not interested. I want bigger moves. Moves that will give me the 40, 70, 100% and 120% and plus. Okay, this is what we are watching for. This is what we are interested for. So on BQX Bitcoin, what we can anticipate, this is the flag over there. Okay, so how far? I think we still can go a little bit lower. Okay, we still didn't break this low. Okay, so a little bit lower can push, and then it will push back at the trend line at least. Okay, so how far can it break out? Of course, this structure can break out really fast. So this trade is worth of taking it. Why? Because it can break out and you'll have a 100% of the profit. Okay, so let's have a look. This is a nice move. 103% of the profit will be on your trading account if this breakout will appear. If not, then you will close this trade on a break even and it will go for one more low, tagging these lows, and then it will go for the 100 move. Okay, so only this move is only in this move you're supposed to not be. Okay, once it will start pushing lower, close on break even all your trades. That's it. We don't need watermark, guys. You can see there the BQX and their BQX, so watermark will be confusing, I think. But yeah, okay, I can turn it for you. Let's have a look. This will be for, where is it? Just a second, I can turn it, no worries. If this gonna helps you, here it is. Okay, so here it is. Here's the watermark, and for those who love to see those watermark there, we can use it, no worries. Let's go. Air swap, what do we have there? Air swap, it's struggling there. Okay, if you watch the daily, what exactly is doing? Okay, so daily it's preparing for this move over there. Okay, so how far you want to see this move breaking out, and there is where you're supposed to not have placed any trade. Okay, so you have to enter it before reaching this top and after reaching it. Okay, so don't get or don't have any trades around this top. This is a danger and critical spot. Why this is the critical spot? Because 1 2 3 flag can exactly stop there, and if you have a buy there, you will face a huge drawdown in case if it will goes down, because it will go really fast, tagging this low, and you can believe that this is not good situation. Okay, the many of you guys are getting stuck over there or getting a better, it's just because of that scenario. Okay, so what you'll have to do, you'll have to get in earlier before it will reach this top if you want to go for this trade. So what you'll have to do there on lower time frame is what you'll have to keep an eye this development there during the weekend, and once it will start taking or breaking out, you can trigger the trade, but only on the strong breakout. Okay, don't get in before having a breakout, because it can still slowly struggle to the downside. Okay, it can also totally change to the downside. Time frame on that Bitcoin break or dive at the next 4-hour top. What did you mean, the time frame on the Bitcoin break or the dive at that next 4-hour top? I didn't understand you exactly. What did you mean by that question? So let me just quickly turn back to the Bitcoin. Okay, so what I would like to see is this pushing higher. This is not the top where you have to be afraid of. Okay, so this is not important. Okay, so if the price will go like this, then you will get out of any buy that you will have on Bitcoin. Okay, this is the question. But yeah, you don't need to be afraid over there. You just have to put your focus there, how this next move will looks like. Okay, so this is where your focus needs to be in the next upcoming week, because this move will decide or give us the view where the price will go. If it will go to the downside or it will totally reverse to the upside. Okay, but wave to the upside is supposed to not be missed. Okay, so there's a huge money waiting there on every one of you. So let's go. Acro Bitcoin. What do we have there? This is quite struggling there. Okay, I don't see that this price will push to the upside. I see it pushing lower. Okay, breaking those lows, even that low, it's possible to break. So I do not recommend you to take any trade there on the Acro Bitcoin, because this flat can appear over there and then going higher, reach the top again, and then it will go for one more low, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so Echo can complicate that correction really a lot. So if you watch the daily can clearly show what I'm talking about. Okay, so daily, this can go lower, then we'll have the first move and second move. This it will be the flat, and then going higher, complete that flat and start reversing by the previous stop. Okay, so what this will give us, one more low which will go break this bottom, and then what will have a nice flag over there which will continue to the upside. Okay, so make sure that you will not make a mistake over there. Okay, that could be a mistake which costs a lot. Okay, so be aware of this behavior which I have already shown you. Okay, so keep in mind this. Okay, sorry, I just got disconnected on microphone. Okay, so yeah, Watch it. Really, really important. If it goes down, you will know what it will do. Stop at the previous bottom, going higher and then going lower. Easy. So let's go. Can you update Theta Bitcoin? Of course I can. Just give me a couple of steps before, okay? And it's down there. No worries. I will go step by step. I will go and check all of them and show you the analysis. So Silo Bitcoin, I'm not interested for it. Why? Because this spike there is quite confusing. Why? Because it can start struggling and wave to the downside. It's quite possible. Okay, it doesn't matter if this is the completed correction. Okay, so this move it's not so impulsive to the upside. So if you watch the daily can easily go for one more high and then going lower. This will give us same flag there, going higher, tag the top, going lower, tagging this bottom, and then going to the upside. Okay, so this is how these structures can develop itself. So be prepared for that kind of moves over there. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it closely. This scenario, it's quite possible, and then to go for the upside. TRX Bitcoin. This one is trying to push higher. Let's have a look on, sorry, for our what the price is trying to do. It's trying to push higher, but this it will go really really slowly, then going maybe really fast to the downside, and then it will go tagging the top, and then it will totally reverse. Okay, so I don't see there a good trading opportunity, because if you go for this movement or the only back at the trend line, this is only the 70%. Okay, so 70%. I don't think that this is the money which you can live with. Okay, so 70% of the profit is really small, and you are basically buying at the top. This is quite dangerous. You see, at any time soon we can have a drop down, and you will have a huge drawdown over there before this will reverse back at the entry point. So I don't recommend you trading over there. I would rather give you advice to wait for over there. So TRX not non-tradable. Fat Bitcoin. This one is trying to push higher. Don't get in there. Okay, so what you would like to see and where would you like to catch an entry there? Any strong break to the upside, you can consider some buys. Be aware and don't have your entry placed around the top. Why again? To show you, this is the scenario which can appear and then going lower. Okay, so this could be dangerous scenario again. This is the flag which can develop over there, and yeah, try to get in before tagging this top easily if you want to take this trade. But there are many other pairs to watch rather than that one. So ICX, what is doing? This one is going lower. Okay, so it's clearly visible. What is it trying to do? I'll take off those lines. They are just quite confusing one. And yeah, this is trying to push for one more down, tagging the trend, and then we'll see, or it will totally break to the downside. Possibilities exist. Okay, so possibility exists that this it will go breaking this low down there. So be aware, I'm not interested for that one. Okay, so no opportunity there on ICX. IOST. What do we have there? Okay, this is a little bit ready, but it's not so ready. Okay, so how to explain this? This piece there is completed. Okay, now we have to see once this it will be completed. This can struggle back at the top, going lower back at this low, and then it will totally reverse to the upside. Okay, so this is the scenario that can appear over there on IOST Bitcoin. So keep an eye, watch there on lower time frames. Can you take any buys? Yes, if there it will be any good flag. Okay, so any good flag there, try to take this buy over there. Back at the previous top is the maximum that you will get out of this trade, and then it will go for the downside, taking that low again, and then continuation to the upside. So flat there in the middle before pushes higher. I'm not interested for IOST, so I will untag it. What else do we have there? LSK. LSK, it's struggling there. Okay, for me it's completed 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this basically it's completed for me, but the momentum it's still pushing lower. Okay, so I don't want to see break of this low, because breaking of this low will give us a lot of complications over there. So daily, what the daily can do, the daily can also break lower back at the previous low. So make sure you will not be stuck over there. Okay, so when I can buy on strong break to the upside, you see, this strategy it's really good because you are only buying when something is completed. If the pattern is not completed, then you are not in the trade. Okay, this is so simple. If pattern is not completed, then you're supposed to not be in the trade. Okay, so strategy will help you by having a bad trade, or if your analysis is wrong, then strategy will save you by having a drawdown or having an early entry. Okay, there it will be only the problem if you cannot wait and you will just simply buy because someone said it will go up. No. Okay, analysis is something that you have to separate from the entry strategy. Okay, so you need analyzing strategy, and you need an entry strategy, and then the third one is what you need is exit strategy. Okay, so you need three things to become profitable: analysis, entry strategy, and exit strategy. Could you be so kind to have a look at strategies? Yeah, I will take a look, so no worries. Just if you have any question about any pair, guys, just use the chat, but be much more specific. For example, if you want to watch for the DOGE, don't type just DOGE. And what I would like to please you is type versus what? DOGE Bitcoin, DOGE USDT, or DOGE whatever. Okay, be much more specific when you are typing. So yeah, only strong break to the upside you can become interested, but not breaking this low. Okay, so this breaking to the downside will just give you complications, and then you simply don't need to have the trade over there. Dego coin. Let's see what the hell is happening over there. This could be completed. Okay, so this stuff could be completed. Why? We have a huge impulse over there, we have a drop down, we have a running flat, and then went down. Okay, so this part of the structure is completed by itself. So what else can we anticipate there? This correction and then pushing higher. How far? Breaking this top, or if you are lucky, then this it will be your trade. Okay, so this one is interesting to watch. By the next week, 128% of profit is waiting there and sitting there. So let's have a look what can we have there. So this is completed. There was some trades on the 1 hour. So we have some questions. Check Google for 1 week. Okay, I will check it. No worries, guys. What do you think about ICP? We will take a look. No worries, guys. GFI USDT, please. Okay, I'll watch them all. It's good going up next week. We will see. Okay, stay there. We will watch at the end of the webinar. We will watch the stocks also. Okay, so stay there with us. I will show you the chart and what to expect on it. So Digo, what can we do is on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. This correction there and then continuation to the upside will be good opportunity. Okay, so watch it. Watch it closely. This correction is needed before you will take any trade to the upside. Okay, but it will be good. Good trade. Okay, be careful about the pre-stop. What do you think about Shiba Inu? I will take a look. No worries, guys. Just stay a little bit patient. It's good that you are typing and asking there. Okay, so we will watch all and answer all your questions. So don't think that I will forget anything. I always does. Okay, so I always answer on all your questions. I would like to ask you to look at Lina USDT. Yeah, I will. Give me a couple of minutes to finish those, and then I will add those who I'm not having. Uh, Wax Bitcoin. This is interesting, guys. Okay, so this is what you can watch. Break above there can give you a good opportunity. Okay, so have a nice look there in the upcoming week. For me, this is completed. We have an impulse. We have a nice expanded flat order. So what the price can do, it can just push higher. Okay, so interesting chart to watch. Where is your target? Our target will be the previous stop. So yeah, good chart. Okay, good chart on the break to the upside. So how many percent is there? It is worth of watching it. Yeah, of course, 100% again. Okay, so those are the trades that we are interested for. Okay, so those are the trades that we are watching in our trading academy. Okay, we watch them daily, sharing and discussing about trades every day. So nothing can go without us. So if you guys are interested to join the Trading Academy, I have some questions about the course and about the academy. If you guys will join the academy, what you will have there is you will have the one-time payment, so there's the lifetime access. Once you pay, you are our member forever. Okay, so this is really good having us in your life. It's really positive for you and especially for your bank account. And what is most important, there's the community, which is really powerful stuff to have, because we are sharing all the time the setups that are currently for watching. We are watching crypto and Forex. And also what you will have with joining us is 6 to 8 weeks training course. Okay, there is the big course, educational video lessons that you will have to watch, and then you will understand why and how market moves. Okay, this is really important. And what I'm doing, I'm always watching my members and asking them for a feedback. Okay, why this is so? Because I'm upgrading the academy as much as I can. I'm creating all the time the videos where the people are struggling the most. Okay, so this is huge, huge, huge improvement for everyone. Okay, so if you are interested, the link of the website where you can sign for the subscription will be under the video, or if you have any questions, just send me them there on TradingView the DM, or also on Telegram. If you're following me on Telegram, you can send me the DM. So yeah, this is the interesting pair to watch. PR AP. So what is there? Let's have a look. Do we have any opportunity? Yes, this trade is slowly ending. Okay, so we have a nice huge impulse over there. Okay, so this is the impulse and this is the correction, which is trying to be over at any time soon. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we will watch the buy stops over there. What will be our potential? 239%. Okay, nice potential is there. So what you have to do, let's have a look there on lower time frame. Watch this picture a little bit closer. So watch there on the flags. Okay, so what you like to see is the flag there, and you can buy above this high. First target will be your previous high, but you can go for the longer term trades for those who are trying to build their positions. For those who don't have time to watch, once you take this trade, you can just put it on break even, and this trade will go for couple of weeks to reach the top 200%. Okay, so nice profit will be there. Can get complicated and one more down. Yes, tagging by this top can give us some complication from more low, but yeah, especially it will go back at the top. So it's worth of watching it, flex, and just keep on joining the trade. Ramp Bitcoin, nothing special. I see it going lower, breaking this low, so not tradable. Theta Bitcoin. Okay, so there is one guy that is asking me for the Theta Bitcoin for the update. So what we can have over there is, if you join there on that breakout, this is not the momentum which is pushing. Okay, it's quite slow momentum. So why this is so? Let's have a look on daily picture. Daily, it's completed 1, 2, and 3. This is supposed to be completed, and then going higher. Yeah, there's one more question, because this can stop there and go for one more low, break this low, and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so let's put some drawings over there for better understanding. Okay, so for better understanding, you can go and search still for the buys, how far back at those trend line, and there is where you have to decide. Put all your trades on the break even, and if it goes, congratulations, you have a nice trade. If not, take a break even, you didn't lose anything. Okay, but yeah, this is not the momentum which will go. Okay, probably this will go so dropping, and then it'll go to the upside. Okay, so but yeah, worth of trying, buy back at the top. Audio Bitcoin, this one will go lower. One more low, tagging this top, and then the complication will kick in. So nothing there. Audio Bitcoin, it's not looking good at the moment. What you can do is, once it will reach this bottom, then you can go for this move. Okay, this buy will be tradable. Okay, this buy will be tradable. I don't know, there's maybe 50% of the profit. Yeah, oh, even more. 86% of the profit will be there once this move will be completed. So stay patient, watch it closely, and you can have a trade. CHR, complication is coming. Okay, so flat there, and then continuation of the upside. Can this move happen really fast? Yes, it can. Okay, but buy is what you have to see, of course. Okay, be aware of this movement before going higher, complication, taking bottom and then going higher. Okay, so huge structure in the making. What you can do, once it will reach this bottom, you can go for this buy. Okay, so you have to wait probably whole next week, and then what you will be watching for the 150% of the profit over there, percent of the profit. Yeah, so but let this move to appear. Okay, this is what you would like to see. Let me just draw it. This is, oh sorry, this is what you'd like to see. First this one breaking that low, and then boom, this will be your trade, and then you will see. Easy. Wing Bitcoin. Hi everyone, that is, you are welcome on the chat. Those who has already joined, you are welcome, guys. So what you'll see there on the Wing Bitcoin, let's have a look. This is interesting chart. Okay, so it's interesting. We made a new low, and this supposed to try dragging lower. Let's have a look on 4-hour structure. For our structure, it's trying to build something, but those spikes are not looking good at the moment. Okay, this can also give us the complication going higher, breaking top and then going up, so not good. Okay, I don't recommend you guys for watching it, at least until we have a nice correction. Give him some time. 8om Bitcoin, it went up, it's trying to reverse. Why it is reversing? This is the big question that people are asking me. Okay, why charts are reversing so fast? Here's the answer. Okay, here is the answer. You are around the previous top. There, this is the corrective movement, and this can go lower, tagging this bottom and then going higher. Okay, again, flats are happening, are on the charts really often. Okay, so this is the reason, and this is why I'm not interested buying there. Okay, I'm never buying at the top. Where you can buy is after having a pullback. Okay, on the pullback you can watch for the buy, but without having a flag, I'm not interested to take any buy over there. So send Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Daily, one more low. Yeah, so not looking good for the next week. There's the flag 1 2 3, and then pushing lower, breaking at least this low and then turning, but I don't think. Okay, so I think that it will break this low and then there it will be some loss of momentum before it will push to the upside. So send Bitcoin, remove it from your watch list. JFI, if this will holds there, good trade. Okay, one more buy will be over there, classical flag, breaking this low and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so good trade. KSM, fly really nicely. No trading opportunity for you. For those who take there or wherever you get in, good. Try to take your profit off from the market. Okay, so good. Okay, I know that some of you took that trade. I don't know your names exactly on, because you sent me this on Telegram, that you took those trades and make a nice profit. So hope you are there now and watching the live. So slowly take off your profit. Okay, don't hold it too long, because it can reverse you, right? Because we are quite at the top. Okay, yeah, you can wait 2 3 days, but then they will drag lower. AAVA Bitcoin, nothing special. I'm not interested for any buys. Let this go down and then for one more up, and then it will totally reverse. Okay, so be aware, watch this to complete itself, and then you will start buying. Nano Bitcoin, nothing special. Okay, it's reversing too fast. What we'll have there, it's probably reverse. Okay, so reverse is what you can face there. Okay, so nothing is there. Ignore. CRV Bitcoin going lower. Okay, this structure it's showing us this is going back at the trend line. Okay, so no trades there. RVN Bitcoins in there. One more low. Okay, so this is what you can have over there, and then going back at the trend line or total break to the upside. Okay, so what you have to do, wait for this wave to complete itself. Okay, no rush. Badger. So what do we have there? Let's see. It's trying to reverse. Okay, so you will have to watch there. It could be interesting. But be aware, this could be a nice selling pattern and then going lower, tagging this low and then going higher. Okay, so if this move will kick in, then just wait to complete. Probably next week we'll watch it together. Okay. Uh, oh, and Bitcoin, stay away from it. Where is it heading to? It's heading to the downside. So ignore STMX. Uh, this will start pushing higher. Okay, but be careful. Wait more. Okay, wait more. Now the buy is not ready yet. Okay, so ignore. KLV went higher. Those who took there the buys, take off your profit. Okay, take profit off. This is not the wave which will just explode to the upside. Okay, so what you can do now? Nothing. Just take off your profit and enjoy the profits. Watch the other charts. Luna Bitcoin, there was the nice potential buys. So how far this is trying to go? Okay, let me just move that arrow. There was the flag, 1 hour flag that you will be able to join. So everyone who joined it, congratulations. What you will have to do is wait for the previous stop. There is where you will take off your profit. Okay, again, flat. And then going higher, going lower, taking this top, taking this bottom, and then continuation to the upside. So this will be the daily huge correction. 1, 2, okay, 3, back at the previous bottom, and then go. Boom. Okay, so let it correct. Sideways is what we need before getting into the buys again. Okay, but yeah, if you're interested for this short-term buying, you can go, of course, you can go for it. XRP, XRP is going down. Okay, so every one of you, let me just show you the movement. Okay, the move will be to the downside. Why? This all is 1, 2, and this is the third wave to downside, breaking this low before turning to the upside. Are you still with me, guys? This will go and tagging that low. Okay, so watch for this sell. No buying opportunity before tagging this low. Bitcoin Euro is the same chart as Bitcoin dollar, so nothing special is there. Ethereum Bitcoin will go lower. Don't get and don't jump into those trades. Okay, we are too much at the top. So if you got the message from the people that are buying it at the top and they think that it will explode, no, don't do this stupid mistake. Okay, so people has no idea or were saying that you're supposed to buy there. Let it go deeper, and then you will be buying. Okay, so wait for this kind of the correction before you will start buying. Okay, you have to understand this. LTC USD. This one could be maybe interesting. Why? Because this could be some kind of the pattern, and then we may continue to the upside. Let me have just a quick look on the daily. Oh, no, that's not good one opportunity. This will probably going lower. So yeah, no, nothing there. Leave it. Leave the chart alone. This is gonna go back at the top, going lower, and then maybe it will go to the upside. So next week we'll watch it next week. This is not opportunity for us for this week. So Ethereum USD, that one may be interesting. Okay, flag is trying to appear there. We need some loss of momentum, and then it will start pushing higher. So what you can do around the Wednesday, Tuesday, maybe you will start watching for the flags there. Okay, so this is your job. What you will have to do, watch for your flags. Okay, flag is what you would like to see there. This can struggle there a little bit more, and then boom, it will just go. Keep your eyes on LTC Bitcoin. Nothing. Skip it. Deeper correction. Dominance keep diving. Same there. KNC Bitcoin. Not looking good chart. Okay, so it's going lower back at that trend line at least, or even breaking this low. So no trades there. ADA Bitcoin. It's gone. Okay, so nothing is there. Leave it. Skip it. If you miss something, you supposed to not feel sorry. Okay, so why are you supposed to not feel sorry? Because the opportunity is everywhere. Okay, Opportunity is waiting on you on other charts. Don't feel sorry or don't feel that you missed anything. Okay, this is just the FOM effect, fear of missing out. And yeah, this fear of missing out can just bring you some huge drawdowns. GRT going lower. MKR Bitcoin, nothing special there. Okay, so not far. If it will go higher, only by the previous top. BNB Bitcoin. This is the interesting chart people are asking me about. Binance Coin. Binance Coin, it's at the top and it will reverse at any time soon. So please, guys, don't invest there in the top. This stuff will go down. Okay, so save that money and invest it somewhere else. Don't buy the coins that people are talking about. Okay, those are the coins which you have probably missed already. People supposed to take off their profits because the bigger correction will come before this will continue to the upside. Okay, so we'll have a lot of time before buying it again. Okay, so how far it will go, it will probably reach those trend lines and then it will start reversing from the top from there. Okay, so there it will be our reversal point. It's an opportunity. And Bitcoin, nothing is there. It will drag lower. Comp Bitcoin, same there, dropping lower. I don't see it pushing higher, so at least not now. 1 inch Bitcoin, 1 inch Bitcoin going lower. Okay, this move is gonna go down. So nothing there. DAI Bitcoin, same there, going lower. This is the huge correction now. It can even reverse more. Okay, so nothing is there. ANG, nothing is there. Skip it. THZ, interested, yeah, it could be interested if it gives you the flag. If you're already the buyer, if you find the buy stop, congratulations, put it on break even. So what you have to do is wait and add more. How far back at the top could be a nice trade. So watch it, you'll see. Maybe you'll find some good flags there on 1 hour or 15 minutes if you're skilled enough. If you are not skilled, don't use the 15-minute time frame. ASX Bitcoin, nothing there. Skip it, not good chart. 1 USD, it's gone. And here's this one. Here's that example that I'm talking before. Don't buy there. Why? Because look at that one. You see, this is the flag. What it will do, it will just drag down, complete this huge daily correction before pushing back again. Okay, so there is where most of you guys are struggling the most. You are getting into the trade on this top. Okay, this is a critical spot, critical opportunity to getting into the market, and you will have no time to close it. Why? Because it will drop down and corrects there, and yeah, really hardly and really a lot of luck it will be needed to close this trade again back on the break even. OXT Bitcoin, skip it, gone. Data Bitcoin, not good. Same there, dragging lower, so deeper correction can appear. So no investing. Nothing there. STX, same there. It will go lower, tagging this low, giving you the flat, and then going higher. Okay, so probably next week, next whole week, that STX will be filling this move. Okay, it will be completing that move all the way back at the trend line, and then you'll start watching for the buy. Okay, so maybe on Friday there will be maybe a possibility to start buying, but don't buy without having a clear price action. Okay, so guys, are you still with me? Confirm that in chat so we will know that you are still with us. Okay, so great, people are still there. Perfect. That's good. Okay, so we have a question. Hi, can you please check STUSDT and OXTUSD? Yes, guys, I will watch. I will watch this. Okay, so some people are typing in chat that I killed you guys. I didn't kill nobody. Okay, so this is just the knowledge, the basic knowledge. Okay, so yeah, I will watch those charts also for you guys. Good. We have just a couple of them, okay? Couple of them, and I will add those who you already, which you already typed there. Okay, great, perfect. So this will go lower, tagging this low, VAT USDT, same there, same stuff, same trading. Okay, back at the bottom, then we'll be start buying. So nothing there in the upcoming week. Okay, so that one same. Okay, you are at the top, don't get in there. Why? You will have a big huge drop down, and then you will do what? You will close the trade with the minus, and then trade will go. Okay, so don't do this. Wait for a deeper correction before buying. Algo USDT going lower. Okay, so one more back at the bottom probably. Let's see the DUF, of course. This one is going breaking this low. Okay, this will go and breaking that low. So be aware. And same there. VTC USDT going lower. Okay, and then going higher. ZEC. Okay, so ZEC USDT. So here it is, guys. Those who is asking about ZEC. I think this is since previous week. Let's see what do we have there. Oh gosh, this is not looking good. This will probably give you some flat order and more downside. Okay, so what you can do, can you start watching for the buy? No, this is not good chart. Okay, not good chart. You are too high. Too high. Weekly, if you watch the weekly, yeah, this can give you some drawdowns if you will not be careful. So let's wait. Can go for one more high. Yes, this will be just the small buy to break the top. Okay, so 48% of the profit, if there it will be the good buy stop, but there is no buy setup, guys. Okay, it's not. If it will break this low now, and then it will give you some reactions, some flag, then you can buy for this breaking top. Okay, so this is the maximum that you will get out of this Zcash. Okay, so don't be optimistic. Don't think that this it will fly for next 1000% of the profit. No, that's not gonna happen. First it will go into deeper correction, then yes, then the profit, the huge trade will come and kicks in. ZRX, let's see, going lower. Okay, this will be dipping lower, so no trades there. ETC, oh, this one is a good one. Okay, guys, watch that one. There's some flag that is trying to appear. So breaking strongly to the top, this is your trade. Okay, good trade, watch it. Okay, so nothing there. Nothing there. Leave it, skip it. It's not ran USD. That's even worse chart. Okay, so no, nothing. Leave it. It's not good. ANKR. If there to be any flag, you can take it back at the previous top. Okay, because this could be a no. Sorry, this is the correction. Let me just delete this one. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so this is the correction, pushing high back at the top, and then it will go same down. Okay, so you see that some of them are showing you those short-term opportunities. Okay, don't build some positions that you would like to keep them forever. Okay, the market is not ready to build for long-term positions. You'll have to be patient more. Okay, so if you are totally new to the crypto investing and you have no idea what you're doing, you just have to calm down, settle down, and don't put all balls in the market. It's not ready yet. Okay, so simple explanation. Okay, so you are buying at the top if you are trying to build some long-term positions. Okay, it's not time for it right now. So let me see, did I missed anything? Let's scroll the chat. Theta Bitcoin, I did it. GFI USDT, GFI USDT. Breaking this low. Okay, so this is gonna go break this low and then it will go start pushing higher. Okay, so let me just show you the 1 hour picture. It will be much more clear for you. So how far it is going? It's going breaking this bottom over there. Okay, so we'll have a break of this bottom and then to start to struggle and then you can start watching for the buy. Okay, so you'll have to be damn patient for this trade. Okay, it's not ready yet, but it will be ready soon. Okay, so keep your eyes on this trade over there. So that's GFI. I would like you to look at Lina USDT. No worries, man. Lina USDT. I think that I just missed some LINA USDT. Let's see what you are watching. Sometimes you guys have a nice opportunities. Mm, okay, we have not a lot of data over there. Yes, guys, I will watch all your charts, so no worries. Just use the chat and type there. I will add them and watch it for you. So breaking this low there, it's important. Okay, so this supposed to going lower before pushing higher. So what we can have over there then, something like this. Okay, so going lower and then this move. Okay, so let it push lower first. This can struggle also there and then going lower and then it will go to the upside. So not looking good. Okay, so I rather watch the others. They are much more ready and they have much better setup than this one. Okay, thank you. Can you do bar USDT too? Of course I can do. Okay, so of course I can do. I will just delete some. I don't want to have that huge list over there. Okay, you guys gave me every webinar, every Sunday. You gave me a lot of pairs over there. So let's have a look. Yes, we will watch the Forex. Okay, stay patient. Just 5 minutes. I will answer all those crypto guys. Okay, I have to answer them. All those setups. Yeah, I can watch all of them. You guys don't need to ask if I can. Of course I can. So where we were at bar USDT. Okay, so this is not good. Not good. Ignore it. What do we have there? There's the impulse, and now we are having a running flat over there. So what the running flat is trying to do, it will go drag lower, break this bottom, and then it may turn to the upside. Okay, so totally not good chart. Leave it, skip it. It's not for watching. It's a waste of time, and hope you're not in. So yeah, just leave it. It's going lower. It will go deeper, even breaking this low. So not good one. Okay, so what else do we have there? What do you think about which one? Shiba. Sheep. I think that I was. I didn't. Let me edit. SH. How is it? S. Shiba. Uh, Shiba USD. Let's see what you're watching. No, not good one. This not good one. This can struggle there. Okay, so nah, not interesting. Okay, don't play with these charts which are not going good or not a lot of data over there. So you have to go on the lower time frame. So there is where you have to discuss. And what you have to do is there on lower time frame. Let me just have a look. Yeah, it's reaching the bottom and it's not ready yet. Okay, so it can just struggle there and then going higher. Okay, so I don't think that you're skilled enough to take those trades. Okay, so I do not recommend you to go for this one. Okay, can you check SCUSDT? Of course, SCUSDT. Okay, breaking this low. Okay, so wait, breaking this low. It's really important. And what you have basically, you will see this break. it will go more than break. Okay, it will break and then it will struggle there and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so you have time. Okay, you have time to watch it. It needs to break this low, believe me. So stay patient, but don't get in too early. Okay, so let it struggle there before buying it. Okay, and then OXT USD. OXT USD. Okay, so what do we have there? We reached the top. That's not good. Okay, so be careful by this top. Breaking this top could be quite dangerous and then going lower. So let's have a look on the high on the 4 hour. What we can have over there is, yeah, this can go high. Breaking this top, even go a little bit higher and then drop down and then it will go higher. Okay, so not so big potential is over there. Okay, previous stop will be your target if you'll find any flags over there. Okay, so sideways, find the flag, take the trade, take it off, and then let it go down without you. This is how you'll protect yourself. So you mean Bitcoin will drop to 34K? I don't know the price exactly. Let's have a look, quick look there on the. I don't remember the prices, you know, guys. I'm just watching the visuals. I'm the visual guy. Okay, yeah. I don't think it will go that deep. 42K, it's maybe too low for now. To reaching this 42K, we need a deeper correction. This is what we'll have to see in the next week. Okay, if this correction will appear, then yes, then we'll see the 42K. Uh, IOTX, 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 probably USDT. Okay, IOTX. So let's see. Interesting chart to watch, guys. So yeah, this it will be interesting to see. Let's see, where is the daily location? Yeah, this could be interesting chart. So 4 hour will be your friend. So what you have to do is watch there. Okay, so watch that one. Can go for one quick low. Yes, of course, it can go quick low and then going higher. So this is what it can happen during the week, but I'm not sure for this move. Okay, so this move can stop there and then pushing higher. This could be some fake movement. Okay, but be prepared if in case if it will start to appear, then yes, it can drag lower, but I'm not sure. Okay, it can go a little bit lower and then you'll find the flag, take the flag, it can visit the top really fast. Okay, so good chart to watch, guys, so keep your eyes on. For Shiba, check Uniswap. It has more history in Uniswap. Okay, I will check it. You will see something totally different and you will be shocked. Shiba USDT in Uniswap chart will give you something different. I know, check. Okay, I will have a look right now. So I didn't know because I'm not watching this chart. Sheep, you said sheep USDT, and from which you said from Uniswap, from that one. So let's see the difference. Oh yeah, of course, there's the huge difference. Of course, yeah. Yeah, but still, we had this part of the movement before, and what the price can do, it can go breaking this low and then struggle there before pushing to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch for breaking this low and then struggle there and then look at pushing higher. Okay, so something like this, it will appear before next push to the upside. Okay, so you need some more time to wait there. IOTX, we did that one. Zach, we did that one. DOGE, please, we did that one at the beginning. So those who missed the Dogecoin and some of those pairs, I will please you to watch the recordings, because if I will go and watch the charts which we already passed, it will takes too long. This webinar will be 3 hours instead of 2 hours. Okay. So yeah, you will have to watch. The recording will be uploaded there on TradingView, and recording will be also uploaded on my YouTube channel. So you'll be able to watch it also during the week. So you don't need to remember everything that I'm saying right now. So you can rewatch it during the week. Can I go for short for Ethereum? Short for Ethereum. I forget where the Ethereum is. Ethereum USD. No, don't go for short there. Short, it's not worth of taking it there. Not yet, okay? So if you want to go for the short, you will have to wait more. Okay, this is the dangerous spot. Okay, if this can start struggling, then it will go to the upside. So no shorting there. Can you look at Polkadot, please? Of course, I can watch the Polkadot. Polkadot. I'll delete some of those charts. You guys are making my list really, really huge. You're making it huge. Those who are asking me for the Polkadot USD, okay, you answered already my question. Is this the right chart? Yeah, it's supposed to be. Okay, so what do we have there? No, it's going lower. Don't do anything. Okay, this is not looking good, and it's going lower before going higher. So let it drag lower. Okay, let it drag lower. It's going deeper, at least back at those lows. Okay, so those lows will be tagged really, really soon. So don't get involved, but once it will reach these bottoms, yes, of course, you can then watch for short-term buys. Okay, and flags. Flag is what you will be buying there on the dot. Yeah, okay, good chart. If you will be patient. Okay, so Stratis USDT. Let's have a look. Stratis USDT. Stratis. This is going deeper, don't buy. Okay, so this is going lower. Be aware. We can revisit the bottom again, so nothing there. Skip it. Hello, I'm only just getting here. Have you already talked about your USD? No, guys, I still didn't start with the Forex. So if you're interested for Forex, wait a couple of minutes. We will start and watch the whole Forex. Okay, so stay patient. I will slowly complete or finish with this crypto, and then we will watch the Forex. Let's answer just some of those questions. IO2EX USDT, we already did that. DOGE, we already did. Can you look at Win USDT? Win USDT, Win USDT. Uh, it's revisiting the bottom. Yes, you can watch it. Okay, so let it tag this low. Okay, so this will go revisit the bottom, and then you can go for this buy. Okay, only back at the previous top. This will be the flat for more downside. Okay, but you can go for this move if you feel happy, or if you would like to take it, you can watch this move. But let this move first to complete. Okay, so you have to stay patient. Let this move to complete, and then you'll start watching for a buy. Okay, so good chart. You can watch it. ICP did already. Okay, dot USDT, please. You already did that one. OMG. Big thanks for your content. You are welcome, guys. I really appreciate that you are improving your knowledge and you are liking that webinar. Okay, so I see that people are also active there on YouTube. Thanks you for your time. You are welcome. We have time. I see that, guys, you are really interested for those long webinars. It's good. Yeah, I see that you are, guys, improving your knowledge. We need 6 hours webinars. So many good lessons. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm trying to give you as much knowledge as it possible. Okay, You need knowledge, and this is what I'm trying to share with you, a lot of knowledge. So good. Okay, so you are welcome, guys. uh LTC USDT, we already did that one. Sorry, man. OMG, please. Okay, so OMG, I think we didn't. Okay, so let's have a look. OMG. Fine. So what do we have there? Mm, let's see. No, don't do anything over there. Okay, if you bought there once we were talking on the webinar, okay, so I believe that is the webinar there. You're supposed to take off your profit, but now this is not time for a buying. Okay, this is for the sell, and then it will go to the up, or it can totally break the downside, tagging this low. It's quite possible, so don't play with this OMG Bitcoin. So let me see the 4 hour once again. What can we have? No, I do not recommend you. Okay, so it may go back at the previous stop. Okay, so this also exists, breaking the high and then going lower. Okay, this also exists, but I do not recommend you. Okay, structurally it can get complicated, as I can see it going lower and then high, taking the high, then going lower, low, high, and then totally reverse. So yeah, quite complicated corrections are where mostly people losing their money off. So what I would like to say, just stay away from those complication corrections. Good job. I will put in a word with the big guy for you. Thank you everyone. So I see that, guys, you are happy with the webinars. I'm also happy to see, guys, that you are improving your knowledge and that those webinars are good for you. What do you think about Bitcoin? We already did the Bitcoin, so you will just have to rewatch the recording. Awesome, just come across. Thank you. You are welcome. If you just came across, then I can believe you will stay there because you will learn a lot over there. Okay, a lot of people, basically everyone, is learning and improving their knowledge. Really good. Bitcoin USDT, guys, we already did the Bitcoin USDT, so we will slowly stop with the crypto and then we'll switch to the Forex. Okay, we almost spent 1 hour and 10 minutes on the crypto. Okay, it's been a really long now on the crypto. So let me just repeat for those who would like to join me. Okay, joining my academy with my wonderful team, wonderful people. It's really positive for you and for your bank account because you will improve your knowledge and your numbers on your bank will go dramatically to the upside. Okay, so it's really good because in our academy you will learn everything. Okay, there are educated video lessons which you will have to pass to understand, to upgrade your knowledge more. Okay, there is much more to do because this is not everything. Okay, there is much more knowledge inside the academy. We are also discussing about trades every day. Okay, there is the big discussion about trading setups. So can you analyze again Bitcoin USDT? Okay, I would just do this Bitcoin once again. I can see that you guys Luna, I did Luna. Okay, Luna, I did. SHIB USDT, thanks. Okay, we did that one. Bitcoin. Okay, we did almost. We will watch only Alpha USDT and Bitcoin USDT, and we will finish with the crypto. Okay, then I will switch to the Forex. So Bitcoin USDT, what I would like to show you, it's this chart which needs to struggle there. Okay, and then it will go to the upside. Can it break out at the downside? No, I don't think so. Okay, so Bitcoin will can struggle there. Okay, can struggle. Like, can it hit to 4K? I don't think so. 45K also. Where is the 45K? We already hit it. Okay, so no worries. I think it will just go for the bigger correction before continuation to downside. Okay, so leave it now. Nothing is there. You cannot do anything. Okay, so I see that, guys, you're really active over there on the chat right now. Okay, so for now I will finish with the crypto. Okay, so guys, if you are first time there, just to let you know, we are there every Sunday 8 p.m. my time. Okay, we have to calculate which time is this. Okay, so this is 8 p.m. GMT. T+1. It's my time every Sunday. We are there. We are talking about trades. We are discussing, and you are getting knowledge over there. Okay, so make a note. And if you think that you will forget, just simply join my Telegram channel. You'll get notified when the webinar will be ready for you. Okay, so join the channel. Recommendation buying Bitcoin? No, I totally do not recommend buying Bitcoin now. Okay, this will be a big mistake. Okay, big mistake by buying Bitcoin right now. Okay, why? Because you will never know if this is the low. Okay, so don't try guessing the low. The big mistake the people is they try to guess where the top is and they try to guess where the bottom is. This stuff doesn't work. Okay, so don't do this mistake because you cannot and nobody knows where the top is. Okay, and nobody knows where the bottom is until it's finished itself and confirm itself. Then you will know and then you can rely on the previous bottom. Okay, this is the reason why we are always sticking to the higher time frame analysis. We just have to stay there. Okay, so guys, just give me a couple of minutes. Okay, we will quickly go to the Forex pairs and then we will finish the webinar. It's almost 1 hour 30 minutes there with the crypto, so you very short look XRP possible. Okay, let's have a quick look on the XRP also and then we will finish the crypto. This is the last chart on the crypto, okay? So let's have a look. XRP, let's have a look. I think that I have just lost it. Okay, just XRP USD. I think we already did that one. Mm, here it is. Okay, so thank you for sharing your knowledge. I appreciate it. I also do. Okay, so what we will do there on the XRP is going lower. Okay, so there's the huge structure. This is the daily structure which will continue to the downside. Okay, don't get in now. If you are trading with leverage, you can go for the short over there, but don't just short it based on the analysis. You have to wait for the flag before joining the trade. Okay, so what you have to do is wait for the drop, wait for the correction, and take the trade all the way back to this low. Okay, this is the maximum profit which you will get out of the XRP. Okay, so let's go. Let's move now on the Forex pairs. There are a lot of Forex pairs that needs to be done. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm out today. Thanks a lot. You are welcome. So let's go. DXY, what can we anticipate on the dollar pairs? Dollar pairs will continue to the downside. Okay, so dollar will drag back at this 88 level. Okay, dragging lower. There's the nice huge running flat. Okay, this is the running flat which will drag lower. If you watch the weekly time frame, you will see that the bottom needs to be tagged before it will reverse itself. Okay, so any idea about the gold? Yeah, I will watch it. Okay, just guys be patient. Wait more. Okay, wait more. Let's go Aussie. What do we have there on the Aussie pair? Aussie it's looking to gain to get some strength across the market. Okay, so watch it for buy. All Aussie pairs it looks for the buy. Okay, and dollar looks for the downside. So Aussie USD will be a good opportunity to watch for a buy. Okay, what you'll have to do is wait there. Okay, what you'll have to do, wait for the flag, take the trade to the upside. Aussie Chief, same there, wait for the flag, take the trade to the upside. Okay, huge trade. If you'll take this trade, it can easily break to the upside and you'll have a nice trade over there. But the best Aussie pair is the Aussie USD. Okay, Aussie USD is forming a nice opportunity. Aussie yen is not that good because the yen is showing some short-term short-term loss of momentum. Okay, and then it will reverse to the upside, and this will cause that Aussie yen will go to the downside. So watch for the flag, take the trade if you want, but I would rather wait to reach the top before going lower. Okay, so Aussie New Zealand, stay away from it. Why? Because Aussie it looks like it will gain some strength across the market, and New Zealand also. So that will give us a sideways market there on the Aussie New Zealand. So stay away from it. I do not recommend you to take any trade over there. It doesn't matter if it looks really, really good. Okay, this can just break down. You will open the trade, it will go up, it will take out your stop loss, and it will go down again and then up. Okay, so confusing. So Aussie cat, this one is looking good because the cat will lose its strength across the market, and this will cause the Aussie cat to push higher. So watch there, wait for the flag there. It will give you a nice trade, at least back to the trend line. New Zealand USD, also good opportunity to take some buys over there. So flag and take the trade to the upside. Good opportunity. Can you show some of your guidance on NDX? Not yet. This next webinar, okay? New Zealand yen, wait for the correction, this short opportunity back at that trend line and then going lower. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to speed up our webinar. It's been too long for now, and I see that, guys, you are impatient. So yeah, wait for the sideways, take the trade all the way back at the trend line, and this will be maximum out of that New Zealand yen, and then you'll start focusing for sales. New Zealand chief, this one is not looking good. Okay, Swiss franc is looking so confusing at the moment, and I do not recommend you to taking the trade on the New Zealand chief. New Zealand cat also good opportunity because cat is losing strength across the market, so this will be a good opportunity, same as Aussie cat. So good pairs will be New Zealand cat, Aussie USD, and New Zealand USD. Okay, so those are the trades that you can watch for a buying during the next week. Okay, so 4 of them are good looking. CAD yen going lower. Okay, don't get confused there. It can just struggle there and then it will go to the downside. Okay, just don't get stuck over there with the buy setups because it can go really, really nice to the downside. CAD chief, same there. This structure is daily structure which will continue to the downside. So watch for the flex, take the trades all the way back at the bottom. CAD is really good because it's showing loss of momentum. Euro New Zealand, good opportunity because euro it's looking, it will lose its strength across the market, and New Zealand is pushing higher, so there it will be a good potential sell. So yeah, how many pips? Let's have a look. There it's 600 pips waiting for you. Okay, so what you have to do, let it break, let it correct, take the trade. Take the trade, okay? Easy. Don't rush. On 1 hour, there it will be a nice flag that you can join. Don't get in right now because these can reverse going break the top. It will stop you out if you'll be too fast, and then it will drop down without you. Okay, so let it break, let it correct, and take the trade. Euro cat, there's nothing. Why nothing? Euro is looking, it will lose its rank across the market. Cat also, so that will be the neutral trend. Euro chief, same there, it will be neutral. Don't trade. Euro GBP, confusing one, also don't trade. Euro USD, also confusing. Euro is dropping, dollar is dropping, so sideways movement will be there, so no money. Euro Aussie, this one is good. Okay, there's a daily flat. Daily flat channel is appearing over there, so watch for your sell setups over there. It's a good potential waiting on you. Okay, so break, correct, take the trade. Euro yen, same there, but stay patient. Okay, yen is showing some small push to the downside, and this can cause this euro yen to little bit push higher, and then it will turn to the downside. Okay, so don't sell without clear price action over there on euro yen. Don't be too fast. Yen could be quite confusing. Pound USD going lower, okay, but not tradable. Pound looking down, USD looking down, so sideways. Sideways there, no money is there. Pound Swiss franc also. Pound looking down, Swiss franc maybe down, maybe up. It's on the critical spot, so don't take the trade. Pound yen, same there. Let it push a little bit higher, and then from the top there, it will be a nice opportunity to take some sales. Pound New Zealand, the best opportunity is there. Okay, as you can see there on the daily. The daily is forming a nice expanded flat over there, and it will push all the way back at the previous low. So nice money is waiting on you there also. And pound Aussie, same there. Okay, pound Aussie has the same situation. Nice trade is waiting on you. All what you have to do is just wait for your flex and take the trade all the way back at the previous low. Pound cat, not good chart. Pound looking down, cat looking down, neutral. Pound Nokian, same there, neutral. And chief yen will be also a good one. Once the yen will start pushing higher, there it will be a nice selling opportunity. Okay, so this channel needs to break down. Daily, we are totally at the top and needs to go down. I don't think we will reach the 270 area. Okay, 270 area, it's too far away, and I don't see we will reach that 270 area without having the correction. If this will drop down, it will give you the correction, then we can reach the 270 and then to drop down. This will give you the weekly flag for the downside, but this is too long. Okay, so we have to take the sells. We need to take the money out of the sells. Chief Noken, same there. Let's wait for the correction. Take the trade. Nice trade is waiting on you. It's already breaking. Don't jump in now, guys. Wait on the lower time frame for the flag and then join it. USD pairs are not tradable because they are looking for the bigger corrections. Only USDN is tradable there. Only USDN is tradable there. Why? Because yen will gain some strength across the market and USDN will cause to drop down. So yeah, this is the opportunity. We are at the top, but that's not going to be a long-term sell. Okay, so short-term sell, breaking this low over there. Once it will break this low, it will go totally to the opposite. So I warn you, every one of you, put some extra focus on that one. There is a lot of money waiting in you. If you watch the weekly there, weekly is showing you a nice potential over there. Okay, so it's more than 108,000 pips. Okay, so keep your eyes on. It will go really, really fast, and you can more than double your account in this movement. Okay, it's almost ready, so make sure you will not miss out. If this will be stronger, then we can have this movement. Okay, this movement can repeat itself, so this will be even bigger one. We will reach this top. So yeah, for those who are trying to trade on the longer term, it's good time to build some positions over there with the USD yen once it will reach this bottom. Okay, so this is everything. So for the gold idea about gold, yeah, I'm already watching it. Can you show some of your guidance on NDX? We'll watch that next Sunday. Okay, next Sunday at 8 a.m. we will be live again and I can give you some guidance. Gold is already pushing higher, but you cannot get in right now. Okay, so there was some buy setups. What the gold can do, it can totally push high back at this top. Okay, so what you have to do, let it break. Okay, let it break there, let it correct, and then you will take the trade all the way back at the top. Okay, it's a good chart to watch. Same there. Silver is also looking for a one more wave to the upside. Sugar, nothing there, going lower. Okay, there is the flat, big, huge flat, which will appear and then continuation to the upside. US oil, same there, flag more upside. I shared new gold idea. This is good. Okay, so UK oil, same there. Watch this one and then going higher. Okay, be aware. Both US oil and UK oil can drag higher. And US 30, all the indices can drag higher. Okay, so you'll have to watch for the flags over there and breaking the top and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, be aware, be careful. It can give you some tricky trade. Nasdaq 100, same there. Okay, this is not looking good. Okay, so what we can have over there is a big flat over there and then going lower. Keep your eyes on. SP 500, same there, pushing higher, break the top and reverse from the top again. Okay, so this is your time to watch the charts. German 30, yeah, same there, dragging higher, tag these tops and then reverse to the downside. So all the indices are showing that less push to the upside. So this is the less push probably as it looks like. Okay, so we ended over there. Now those Forex pairs, commodities, and so on. I just speed up the webinar because I don't want this webinar takes too long. You guys are losing some patience, and this was the reason why I speed up. So thank you for your time. Let's wait with Forex next time, please. You can do more pairs than it is. Yeah, I did a lot of them there. Okay, so a lot of pairs are there. Just watch them closely on your lower time frame. There is opportunity that will give you a nice money over there. How do you think no, Bitcoin will not go that low, not yet. Okay, without having a bigger correction, the Bitcoin will not drop down to 37,000. Okay, this will not go that far. So do you guys have any questions? Let me quickly answer all of your questions, and then we will end up the webinar over there. And for those who are interested to join the academy, let me tell you once again, it's really good to have our community in your life, because it's really positive for you and especially for your bank account. And what you learn there is a big knowledge which you will have in the academy with the lifetime access. So once you pay for the membership, you will be the member forever. Okay, there are a lot of courses, a lot of videos which you have to watch to understand the market behavior and to read the charts correctly. Do the stocks Google? Okay, I will check the Google also, and then stock Coinbase stock is interesting. Yeah, we'll watch only the few stocks, and then we will end the webinar. Okay, yeah, interest pairs for the next weeks are Aussie USD, Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD. Okay, those for them are for the buy. Interesting for sell is CAD yen, Euro New Zealand, Euro Aussie, Euro yen also. Pound New Zealand, Pound Aussie, those are the top pairs. Okay, these are the pairs which you have to watch closely. There are a lot of, there it will be a lot of good setups, and a lot of money is waiting there on you. And also USDN for short-term selling. Okay, for those who would like to take a short-term selling, you can watch the USDN. Okay, so those are the toppest one. Okay, this is what you're supposed to not miss. Okay, so put some focus especially on them, and you will make some money out of those pairs. Can you please analyze the Ethereum and your prediction on it? Sorry, man, we already passed the crypto, especially the Ethereum. Okay, we've been talking about it. You are a little bit late. Next time you'll have to be there on the time, or you can just watch the recordings. Okay, recording will be live there on YouTube, so no worries, man. You will watch. You will have the recordings there, and you can watch it. Okay, so stock. Let's see the Google stock for one guy. Those are interested. Google. I think the which one? Bittrex. Not that one. Capital.com. So Google, what the Google is trying to do? Oh, it's keep rising, not far. Okay, this will go now drop, going higher, drop, and then to continue to the upside. Okay, so this is what will happen over there. So daily, what we can have there on the, yes, this is what I said. Going lower, going higher, going lower, and then going higher, and then to go lower. Okay, so wait more. Don't do anything right now. Okay, there you have no setup. If the buy will appear, this will be just to break the top, and then it will drop down massively, and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so don't rush there with the Google. Okay, Coinbase stock. Coinbase stock is interesting. Why is it interesting? No, it's not interesting. Because it's the lower price, that doesn't mean it's interesting. I don't like it. It's not looking good. Okay, so Bitcoin, guys, we already did the Bitcoin. Nothing hasn't changed. Okay, the one drop on Bitcoin didn't change anything. So don't panic. This is not gonna drag lower. Okay, without having the correction like this, we will not see more downside on Bitcoin. So don't panic, guys. Everything is under control and we are having a nice analysis, a nice prediction. So do not panic. Okay, guys, do we have any questions? If we don't have any questions, I will end the webinar there. And you are welcome next Sunday. There it will be the same webinar at 8 p.m. So make sure you will not miss. If you think that you will miss, just join the Telegram chat. You will get notified when the webinar will be ready. I usually notify people 15 minutes before, sometimes 1 hour before, so we will not miss it. You will be there on time. Okay, so, and if you were happy with the webinar, and I know that you were, please share the link with others. I would love you to help build this community full of wonderful people, and I want that people will learn across the world. Okay, I see that people are missing the knowledge, and my mission is to help and educate as many people as I can. I can see that a lot of you already improving your knowledge. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback in my DMs. So yeah, please share the link with others so they can also learn something. What about EOS stock? Okay, so let's watch also the US stock and we'll end up over there. The webinar EOS stock. So this one probably EOS. Let's see. Is going lower, not lower. Yeah, this is what the Google needs to do. Okay, this is exactly what Google needs to do. Yeah, but AOS will go lower, tagging this low, and then it will continue to the upside. It will drag higher. Okay, so this is what we'll have over there. No worries. Nice trade is over there. Okay, watch for the price action around the previous low. Okay, this is we will have to watch for some reversals. Okay, so this is everything for you guys. I know that you have enjoyed, and yeah, please share the link with others. I will end the webinar over there and see you next Sunday. Take care, don't miss the setups, and may the money be with you. Take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.